Hey guys, today we've got a quick review of the Zealsound Lavalier microphone. This is actually what you're hearing right now. So this is a lavalier microphone kit. It comes with two transceivers and then one receiver, or it actually comes with two receivers. One is USB-C, that's what's plugged into my phone right now. It also comes with a lightning one if you have an older model iPhone. So what we have here is a nice little charging case. You just put everything in here kind of like AirPods, and then when they're in here, they're gonna get charged. This case itself takes a USB-C. So we'll see how this sounds right here. In a minute, I'm going to put on my Rode Wireless Go 2 and compare the sound between these two. But some pros and cons real quick. These little receivers right here, they are magnetic. Now I went ahead and put that back in because I didn't want to pick up that audio, but they have a little magnetic piece that goes inside your shirt and then you just stick them on. So it's nice that you don't have any sort of clips or anything like that. That is very nice. Now as far as the receivers, this is kind of what they look like. This is the lightning one. And so my one complaint with this is that I'm not able to plug the USB-C one into my phone while I have a phone case on, so I had to remove my phone case. But it is nice that they give you both the lightning and the USB-C version. So that is the sound test of the Zealsound M9 lavalier microphone set from Amazon. Let's see what the Rode Wireless Go 2 sounds like in comparison. It is about double the price. These are about $100. I will leave links down to the Zealsound M9 down below and the Rode Wireless Go. Let's take a look at the Rode Wireless Go. Okay, now we're testing out the Rode Wireless Go 2. So this is about twice the price of the Zealsound M9, which will be important to take into consideration. Does this microphone really sound 2 times better? We'll see. Now, one downside I noticed with the Zealsound M9 is I'm not really sure if you can adjust the gain of the microphone, and it seems like it's a little bit loud right now. Now, granted, I'm gonna reduce that in the editing, but still, I would like to be able to adjust the gain. That's pretty important on the microphone. Now, I also really like the way that the Zealsound M9 attaches. So right here, this is heavy, it's pulling my shirt down, it has to clip onto material, where the Zealsound M9 does not have that because it's a simple magnetic attachment. So that's what it is, guys. I'll put these audios back and forth so you can hear the difference and see which one you prefer. So this is a lavalier microphone kit. It comes with two. Okay, now we're testing out the Rode Wireless Go 2. So this is about that is very nice. Now as far as the receivers, this is kind of, now one downside I noticed with the Zealsound M9 is I'm not really sure if you can adjust. And on your way out, check out some of my other budget microphone playlists if you're interested in purchasing any other microphones. Thanks for watching Modern Reviews.